Hi guys, today we are going to continue with profit. So profit, just as a reminder from yesterday, is money made after all expenses are paid. So profit equals income minus expenses. So for example, if Polly sold some pies for $20, her supplies cost $5 to make the pies, her profit is $15 because 20 was her income minus 5 was her expenses, gave her $15 in profit. So profit is the amount of money that a seller makes after they subtract everything they had to buy and all the money they had to spend in order to sell their product. So sales price minus expenses equals profit. Expense. An expense is any money you have to spend to create something you can sell. Expenses include price of materials and price of supplies. So an example that we have is these are some papel picado banners. These are banners that we see at Fiesta and we see downtown. So if I had a business of selling these banners, I would make a plan. And here would be my plan. I would have the items or supplies I need, the quantity of the items I need, how much each item cost, and then the total amount for all my items. So I would need colorful tissue, craft glue, paper clips or staples, scissors, and cord. So you see here that it took 10 packs of tissue paper. Each pack cost $11.10. My total expense for all of the tissue paper is $111 because $11.10 times 10 gives you 111. So for the craft glue, I just needed one bottle. It was $1.59. So my total for that item is $1.59. Paper clips or staples, I needed 2 boxes. They were 99 cents each. So 99 cents times 2 gave me $1.98. For scissors, I just needed one pair. They were $2.39 each. So since I only got one pair, $2.39 times 1 is $2.39. For the cord, it was 2 packages of cord that was needed. $14.99 was the cost of each package. So $14.99 times 2 gives me $29.98. So then when you have all of your expenses for all items added up in this column, you total these all up by adding, and our total expenses comes out to $146.94. So in order to make a profit, I need to sell 75 Papel Picado banners for $4 each. So I can earn a total of $300. When I determine the difference between the total amount of money I earned and the total expenses for all of my items and supplies, I will make a profit of $153.06. So if you go back here, we get that from our expenses being $146.94. We figured out how many we're going to have to sell and for how much each one was going to have to be in order to earn this much money. Then you determine the difference between the total amount you earned. So this would be your total amount earned and the total expenses. So that's going to be these expenses here you're going to subtract from that 300. And then you get your answer for your profit, and it is $153.06. So here's another example broken down a little more for you. So Rosanna babysat for her neighbor. She charged the neighbor $5 per hour, and she kept the kids for 7 hours. She bought some coloring books and crayons to keep the kids busy for $2.50. She bought some snacks for $3.24 and paid her friend $10 for helping her. How much profit did Rosanna make from this day of babysitting? So, just like in school, we know that we need to look at our numbers. So first of all, she charged her neighbor $5 per hour, and she babysat for 7 hours. So that goes in your income section right here. I put here for you the charge was $5 and the number of hours was 7 hours. So then our expenses, she listed here. It says she bought some coloring books, so you know that's an expense because buying something means you're spending money, you're getting rid of money that you have. So she bought coloring books and crowns for the kids at $2.50. So I put here books and crowns for $2.50. She bought, here's bought again, she's spending some snacks for $3.24. So I put down here my list of expenses, snacks, $3.24, and paid her friend $10 for helping her. So here's another expense she paid, so she's paying out money, giving money away, another expense. So for help was $10. So the question they're asking is how much profit did she make? So in order to figure that out, I put here, first you need to add up your expenses. So we know she had $2.50, $3.24, and $10. So I'm adding those up and you get $15.75. So this is her total expenses that she paid out in order to do her babysitting job. So her income is what she's charging. So she charged $5 and it was for 7 hours. So we need to do $5 times 7 and it gives us $35. So in order to figure out her profit, we got her income from right here. Our total income is $35 and our total expenses was $15.75. So we're going to subtract those to find out what her profit is. So $35 minus $15.75 gives you $19.25. So this is how much money she made, what her profit was for 7 hours of babysitting after her expenses. So this one is for you guys to fill in. So what you are going to do on here, in order to type on it, the question says Isaac mowed Mrs. Rollins' yard and charged her $15 per hour. It took him 2 hours to mow. He had to buy gas for $4.32 for his dad's lawnmower. He pays his dad $3 to use his mower each time he mows. How much profit did he make for the job mowing Mr. Rollins' yard? So you'll fill it in just like I did mine, but in order for you to fill it in, you're going to come up here to this text box and you'll click on that. And then you're going to come over here and you will get your text box. So you can move it over, that way if you want to type in your expenses, it'll let you put gas is one. So you can put gas for $4.32. And then when you need to come over here and type, you just have to space it over. And then you can type your amounts in here to add them up. And if this is too difficult, you can also just print this page and then take a picture and post it for us. But again, in order for you guys to be able to type on this slide, you're going to have to click on the text box. And then once you get that little plus sign, you're going to have your text box show up for you to type in. So you can choose to do that activity. Or there's a more challenging one that is here for you guys. It's called Let's Get to Business. So this one, you're actually going to develop a plan for making and selling of a product. You're going to list each item you will need for your business. So it'll tell you how many of each item you're going to list how many of each item you'll need, about how much each thing will cost, and what the total expenses were for your business. And then you're going to determine how much you will charge for each product or service. So this is going to tell us what you're going to base it off of what most people charge for that type of product that you've come up with. So then you'll fill in your supplies here, the quantity of each, and the expense, and then you're going to put your total expenses. And for this one, you just click and you'll be able to type right on each line in the slide. And then the last part of that is, in order to make a profit, I need to sell. So you're going to put the quantity and the name of your product or service and how much you're charging for each of your products or services. You're going to put that here in this section. Then the next part says, so I can earn a total of, you're going to insert the total money earned here. And then when I determine the difference between the total amount of money I earn and the total expenses for all of my items and supplies, I will make a profit of, and you're going to put your profit here. And don't forget, your profit is going to be your expenses, the amount that you've earned minus your expenses, and that's going to give you your profit. And if you choose to do this activity, you'll just refer back to this example up here. And if you want to do this activity, making money by mowing lawns, you'll refer to the babysitting business. So good luck, guys. You can choose either one of those activities, or you can do both. And again, you can watch the video as many times as you need to use these anchor charts as your reference. Good luck.